Hello, my name is Martin Winder, I'm 17 years old and my last year, 2015, which was my first season on the bigger bike, was very good so far. I was racing the ADAC and the European Championship, and I also took place at the 125 Junior Motocross World Championship race in Spain last year. At this point I will speak out a huge thanks to Mario Berger and Mrs. Schucht from the German junior team of the federation. They helped me a lot at my first World Championship race. I was not able to make the qualification directly in the time practice, but at least I could manage to win the LCQ qualifying race for the final races on Sunday. After all, I was chosen to race the Junior Motocross of Nations in Belgium and the European Nations in Italy for Team Germany. For me it was a big honor to be able to race these two big races at the end of the season for the German team. Unfortunately, before these two big races, I was racing a German championship race where I exchanged a jump with a step down. I actually broke my ankle joint and my shin bone, very complicated. They brought me to the hospital where the doctor said that maybe I won't be able to do sports as well as I did before my crash. The doctor said that I'm lucky that my bones healed up so well. Until today I had 3 surgeries. A special thanks goes to Thomas Kopp, who put a lot of hard work in to help me getting fit again after my injury over the whole winter. Together we did a lot of rehabilitation to get the strength back in my injured leg. I'm very thankful to my parents, FTR Racing Products and of course the KTM Kozak Racing team. The upcoming season I will also race for Team KTM Kozak Racing. A few days ago I started riding again and we are looking forward to start the season at the 125 European Championship race in Italy. My name is Martin Winder and I'm happy to be back racing in 2016.